Hey everyone, I have these wireless microphones right here. The TX microphones. I'm not sure if that's the brand name or if that's just the model of these microphones. But this brand was nice enough to send me a gift or send this as a gift for me to review. And I'm actually using it right now as we speak. I just want to show you, it does come with the manual. So pretty simple setup. And it does come with two transmitters or two microphones, whatever you want to call them, and they're just a square right here. And you can see here it has the power button and the volume button right here, plus and minus. It has a little clip for you to just clip on your shirt, and it clips on pretty tight, so it's not going to fall off. And you see the microphone here on top. So it comes with two of these, and then it comes with the receiver. Since I'm actually using it right now on the phone, you can't see it, but it has the lightning, so you can use it for your iPhone, older iPhone. I have an older one. I have a 13, so I use this one. I still use that one. Or you can use a USB-C for the newer iPhones or Android, and then you can use the jack right here. If you're using a DSLR camera, you can use that. So anything that you're using to record, you can still use this and plug it in. And what's really cool, I was checking these out, and what's really cool about this, so if you click once, you can turn on a noise reducer. So if you're recording, there's background noise, or something's on, the TV's on or whatever, you can just click the power button once and it'll turn on the noise reducer. I believe if you do it twice, you mute yourself, and if you do it three times, you can turn on a reverb, which is pretty cool. I'm gonna try to turn it on this microphone, see if it works. So let's do it three times, and it looks like it turned on. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? So that's a reverb right there. I'm gonna turn it off. I thought it was pretty cool, honestly. Yeah, there it goes. And these can, I believe, can go up to 328 feet. So you can go pretty far with these, and it'll still pick up, your voice. So these are really, really good. I was testing them out earlier, and they work perfect. I like the design. I like the square design. It makes it look, more professional, in my opinion. And it also comes with these. I'm not 100% sure what they're called, but just the little covers. So that way, if you're outside or if there's wind or whatever, um, there's wind or whatnot, you can just connect these on here. I'm not sure how to do it. Um, I don't really use these because I don't really record outside. But if you're, someone that records, I think there is an entrance. There it goes. So if you record outside, um, this is really good for that, and it blocks all the wind or any strong sounds that you do, like the P sound, like p, p, it blocks it out. Um, so it's really, really cool. And it also does come with the charger.